Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Every day vibrating, every day a different vibration, every day a different personality. We're not just one personality, we're actually 8 personalities, even though we only have 7 days of the week. There is an 8th personality, which is the crazy, wild, mysterious one, which we talk about sometimes. Not today, though. Today is the day of the devotional vibration, devotional. And it's Heart Day. It's Heart Day. It's the day to get in touch with your heart. Mondays, every Monday. Can you feel your heart on Mondays? Burn yourself some sandalwood incense like I'm doing. Listen to the music of Jimi Hendrix. Here, there he is. Up on G's Wall of Fame. Great Jimi Hendrix. Listen to George Gershwin today. And I'm going to read from this book, The Global Oracle. Or the Golden Oracle. It doesn't matter. The Global Oracle. And they're going to speak about this path of the heart, path of devotion, spiritual path, called Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti. Yeah, where's my brush? It's a soft day. A mother thinks only of her children and forgets her personal needs for their welfare. Well, this is a very motherly energy, right? Devotional, motherly, goddess. The goddess. I know some spiritual goddesses out there. A mother thinks only of her children and forgets her personal needs for their welfare. The children easily win her favor by honoring their parents and helping their brothers and sisters. So it is on the path of the heart. Honor God, serve your neighbor with selfless compassion. The majority, my mouth doesn't want to work today. The majority of modern Indians mistakenly consider themselves bhaktas, devotees on the path of divine love. Likewise, in Christianity, the path of the heart is emphasized most, right? Along with the path of action, too. Sufism also emphasizes the path of the heart, right? Yes, it does. The sensuous poetry of Rumi and Omar Khayyam strikes many as hedonistic, a quality of an unfulfilled idealist personality. The Sufis had to veil their devotion in the language of romance to protect their lives, because they were often persecuted by Orthodox Muslims. The yearning of lover for the beloved is a universal metaphor for the yearning for God. A simile that stirs hearts throughout the world in their quest for the divine. So let something stir your heart today. Let something open your heart today. Feel the heart. Be the heart. Get out of here and go here. Try it. You will like it.